snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap!
Are you ready for this?
Oh snap!
Oh! It's me, Fergie. The pig. Hold up!
Fucking Bird, what's up, baby? Come on.
When I
Putting the pedal to the metal. Here goes. This cold just got hot. Let's see what this baby can do.
y'all.
Woo!
Amazing.
Give it up for the Wearable Art Pageant 2014! Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Hello, if you could just turn around here just before you go. What's your name?
Paige.
Big loud voice?
Paige.
Paige. Everyone
Paige.
say hello, Paige.
Hello, Paige.
Is it warm under there, Paige?
Yes.
So tell me what you are, for those that can't see.
Barbecue.
You're a barbecue.
Barbecue.
What have you got on the oven plate there?
Steak.
Medium rare?
Maybe.
What else have we got there?
Sausages.
Sausages, and what's that in the middle? Looks like a meat patty, eh?
Yeah.
Cool. Is this very heavy to wear?
Yes.
Do you think you might wear it in the future? Wear it out to one of your school discos or something?
No.
Has it been cool? How long have you guys been practicing for in the lead up to tonight?
About 3 or 4
3 or 4 weeks?
days.
3 or 4 days?
Days. Wow.
Wow. You did really well tonight with all your friends.
Fantastic.
Do you want to say a quick hello to anybody?
No.
She doesn't. It's up to her. Thank you very much. Thank you, Miss Barbecue.
Thank you.